Baseball Hall of Fame will induct 4 players into Cooperstown: Chipper Jones, Vladimir Guerrero, Jim Thome, and Trevor Hoffman. The 4 will get enshrined into baseball's ultimate museum this summer. Well, the Diamondbacks' Paul Goldschmidt could one day see his name in Cooperstown. Until then, he's already a Hall of Famer in his own home. Team 12's Tressa Tudrick shows us why.
The offseason hasn't slowed the Goldschmidts. Paul and Amy's second annual Goldy's Bowling Bash is less than a month away.
The crowd had a lot of fun, I'll say that. So you don't know where it's going to go, if it's going to be kind of slow and stale, and it definitely wasn't.
Bowling can get intense, so it's fun to see all the guys get kind of heated and get involved, and so that's what I'm most looking forward to.
Even more so than on the diamond?
Yeah, actually, it's pretty competitive.
Together, over $186,000 was raised for Phoenix Children's Hospital.
You know, the money is going to go this year to the child life programs there, and that includes, you know, a lot of the non-medical stuff, and that's where we spend our time when we go and volunteer and playing board games with the kids, doing activities.
You know, we'll talk about sports, we'll talk about hair, we'll talk about nails, I'll paint their nails, whatever they want to do.
Raising money for charity hasn't been the only pastime for the Goldschmidts. They welcomed the newest Diamondbacks fan, Emma Goldschmidt, just a few months ago.
It's been a lot of fun. She's starting to sleep more, so I can actually do things during the day. So yeah, but Paul's been a great help.
I don't have to try to, you know, kill any free time now. I got it all taken care of.